Usually, I say they're beautiful and I get rid of them. But today is a new day. Today is a new me. We are keeping a fireplace. My favorite part is this. This room we went all out. Walking in, you see a really spacious room. When you see the before of this room, you think, what has happened? This is a complete transformation. To the new master bedroom, and then we'll go on into the split of the second bedroom and you'll see what we've done. Welcome everyone to another video, and this is the video we've all been waiting for. My name is Hagop, aka Hags, and today you join me on the finale. This finale has taken about just over a month. If I'm going to be picky, it's slightly over a month, but I wanted this project to be done so quickly. We've done a full refurb from inside, so I'm going to show you around the whole thing. Starting off from the outside, I did a little bit of work, nothing too major. Thankfully, I didn't have to do too much. Usually I'm the one that gets nitty and gritty into all this, but today I didn't need to. Other than just under the window, I've scraped down the excess paint, which was from a long time ago, you can tell, repainted it. That's it. But let's head on inside and I'll show you the full refurb. Heading on inside the property now, you can see straight away as you walk in, we've replastered all, well, I say all the walls, majority of the walls. You can see the smooth finish of the paint. If you look down as well, we have carpeted practically the full downstairs. So let's go on into reception room 1. What we've done in this room is, instead of plastering this room, we just thought, let's leave the wallpaper and let's just repaint it. As you can see, it looks perfectly fine to me. We could have replastered it, let me know what you think. And we've left some sort of design of the wallpaper, which I thought was a nice feature. You wouldn't believe what I finally kept for the first time. A fireplace. I mean, what a beautiful thing that is, by the way. Usually, I say they're beautiful and I get rid of them. But today is a new day. Today is a new me. We are keeping a fireplace. Mainly because I didn't want to spend the extra amount getting rid of it. But then at the same time, it's a really nice feature. So from now on, let me know if you think I should just keep the fireplace. We've kept this door, just repainted it, gave it a fresh look. Now let's go on into my favorite part, which is the kitchen area / diner, because we've done quite a bit in this room. Walking in, you see a really spacious room. When you see the before of this room, you think, what has happened? This is a complete transformation. And it is. We have changed all the doors from something that was atrocious, or that's a bit harsh, I'll take that back. Something just very, very dated to something very, very modern. We've gone for a gloss white finish. We have gone for the chrome handles, and yes, we've gone for the soft closing, which I always tend to do. But in this kitchen, I've gone for something slightly different. So the unit itself, I've kept, which you might have not thought that, because it does look practically new. We've kept the worktop, and we've actually kept inside the cupboard all the same units. All we've done is replace the cupboard doors, added the new door handles, and that's practically it. And now you look at it, you've practically got a brand new kitchen. We've also repainted all the walls. Thankfully, for the first time, the boiler was very good, in great condition, so no issues with that. Behind me, we've just left it as a utility room. That was there as it was from before, again, repainted it. Now this is the expansion of the 2 rooms. So initially we had another cupboard that was placed here, and this wall was brought out to about here, so you almost had a door frame size left here. But now We opened it up just that bit more. In fact, I was going to open it all the way, but we needed a beam. That would have cost a fair bit, and I think this is perfect amount, because now we got rid of the cupboards that were here and we kept these cupboards here, so you've got more than enough cupboards for the kitchen. And what we done was we got a new oven which we put here, and a whole new unit. This one's actually a new unit, the others are all not. So we got a new unit for this, and now we walk into the open diner section, which just screams spacious, screams clean. And once you add a dining table in the middle here, chairs all around, maybe add some photos on the walls just to spice it up a little bit, you've got yourself a beautiful room. We've gone for a new flooring here which connects from the kitchen all the way into the diner, sort of like a herringbone-esque look, but I think it's perfectly suitable for this property. Beautiful layout, repainted all these walls, in fact plastered all these walls as well. What I've done is from the downstairs all the way into all the bedrooms, you can see we've replastered all these walls and we've done new carpets throughout, and everything just flows so nicely. Yes, it's the same colour theme in all the properties. But let's go on into the new master bedroom, and let me show you what we've done in there, and then we'll go on into the split of the second bedroom and you'll see what we've done. So here is the master bedroom, and I know the first thing that you're going to point out is this behind me. And this was actually there from the previous owner, and I thought, why get rid of it when it actually is a nice feature, and it matches somewhat the carpet as well. So this is just a nice feature to have. But this room we didn't plaster, we just repainted, and you can see it's perfectly fine and looks the part. But yes, this is a new master bedroom, but in this room here we have some really nice storage compartments. So yes, you can get a nice double bed here. You've got the full storage cupboards here, and then you can even add a desk or whatever you would like. So you've got all the space you need for a master bedroom, and that is one of the most vital things in a property, is making sure if you're doing a conversion, the bedrooms are to a very good size, especially the master, because obviously that's the one that everyone's going to use the most. So let's go on now into the conversions of the one bedroom, should I say, but the third bedroom first. So initially this was all one bedroom. This wall that we're walking in now used to be just a full-on wall, but now we put a stud wall up here, replastered all this, and the new carpets again flowing really nicely. We measured it so all of this section here is big enough for a single bed, so you'll have a nice walking space here and you have a storage space here. So if you use the space wisely, you've got a very, very good third bedroom. And to be honest with you, if I'm being really picky, I might have moved that wall slightly inwards just to make the second bedroom bigger, but I think it's perfectly fine. I'm being very picky. But this room, we put a new door in here. This is now the second bedroom, and in fact this is the walkway which was initially for this bedroom. So we kept this the same, and now you've got a really good size second bedroom. Replastered all this, repainted everything. So going on now into the WC, we once again could have opened this up into one bathroom. We'll go into that section in a minute. We've put the toilet where it always was, just replaced it. New flooring, which matches the kitchen and diner downstairs. Why not match it? Before there was no sink. We thought, why not add a sink? Keep it separate. Looks beautiful. Repainted that as well, so can't go wrong. My favourite part is this bathroom sink room. You can't really call it bathroom because there's no toilet in it really, but this room we went all out. New towels throughout. This is a gloss finish towel all around the room. The floor is a matte finish, which is the same tile, again, just a matte version. So I thought that broke it up nicely. I've never done this type of tiling before. If you like it, then let me know and I may do this next time, because usually I just put the tiles behind the bath and the rest is replastered, repainted. But this is something different. And new radiator, new bath, new sink, everything is brand spanking new in this room. Before we go into the garden, upstairs I'll add a cinematic. There's a loft storage space. Yes, I have to class this as a loft storage space because it hasn't got the building regs for it to be an official room. It's high enough for you to stand in, so it's perfectly fine. So going on into the garden now, thankfully once again, I didn't do too much to it. We've got a little storage space back here and have a look at that. I mean, talk about space. You could have easily extended into that, but this is single skin, so probably best not to. But again, it's a nice additional space, why not? And behind me you can see the garden. I've tidied it up as best as possible. I mean, I didn't have to do too much to it. Usually I'm the one that does a driveway and garden, but this is the first time where I've actually not had to do too much. We did add a new guttering just up there because it was really bad. The project that took just over a month. If you enjoyed this video and want to see my other projects, my new projects coming in, yes, there will be a lot more extreme. Usually they are, but because this one was a short project and nothing too long, I thought, let's go for it. Thankfully the heating was there, electric was there. It was very much a full cosmetic works. But if you enjoyed this and liked my spec, let me know down below. But I've been Hagop, aka Hags. Don't forget the name. I'll catch you in the next video.